Now, this is why I did this whole entire thing, is to figure out where the windows are gonna go. Hello guys, good morning. Cody here from Escapade Made. So it is about, well, the watch is on the other hand. It is about 8:47 on a Saturday morning. Actually pretty excited for this day because it's not gonna be a super hard day, not like physically taxing. It's just, we're pretty much just gonna be taping a bunch of stuff. So why are we taping stuff? So last week we went ahead and finished up the riveting on the outside of the bus for the skins. I think it looks amazing. Obviously it's like really wet right now. But now we need to order our windows. I mean, did you think that I was just gonna create like a prison bus?
Bruh.
No, clearly we're gonna do windows in the bus. So the windows are on the way. I ordered 6 48-inch windows. So we're gonna have 6 windows, 3 each side. But in order to know where to put the windows, we have to have a layout ready. And in order to know where the layout is, we have to basically tape it down. So over the past, I would say 3 months or so, I've probably had 30 to 40 different iterations of the layout for the bus. I'll go ahead and flash up on the screen the iteration that I'm currently at. It's probably gonna change a little bit, but at least it'll be good for now. There's so many things to consider whenever you're creating a layout. So anyways, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna be taping out the layout for the bus. So what we have to do first, if you haven't seen the inside of my bus, it's a freaking wreck, okay? I'm sorry, I'm not a really clean construction worker. So we gotta clean out my bus. Basically, I'm gonna take everything out of the bus and have a clean canvas, and we're gonna start taping everything down. And then once we're done for the day, we'll put it all back. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. Alrighty guys, so we just finished up sweeping and even vacuuming. So we have a pretty clean, now we have a pretty clean canvas to work from here. Anyways guys, so this is what we're looking at. And I'm gonna whip out the computer here in a sec, and we're gonna go ahead and start taping this out. So let's do it. Now I don't want you to freak out because this isn't something like I've designed in some kind of CAD, computer assisted design or something like that. I literally just made this in Canva, which is a free software that you can like make YouTube thumbnails and a bunch of other stuff. So don't freak out, this isn't like next level stuff. So essentially with my layout here, the red squares are the wheel wells. And then everything else is everything else. So I'm probably gonna start in the back here on working on the bed. Then I'm gonna go through here and just start kind of taping this out. But I wanted to show you guys like the layout just so you can kind of see it as I'm taping it out. This is gonna help me determine where I put my RV windows. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys.
Down by the schoolyard where the crouch Brianna's smile smooth. They talk about the spring break and the yeah, Tijuana, here we come. My friends think she's so dumb and stupid, but I won't tell anyone what her and I got going on. Brianna's brother's buying beer, so freaking cool, can you believe? He'll bring his friends to college guys, our weekend plans are such a dream. My friends think she's so dumb and stupid, but I won't tell anyone. Now it's so that when we are alone, she's touching me. Well, I'm a sucker for it, give it to me. The way she's looking at me, she's so damn perfect. It's so damn worth it, the secret we keep. Yeah, I'm a sucker for it.
Alrighty guys, so I just finished up. It actually went a lot smoother than I thought it would. I thought that I would run out of space or something, but that's the benefit of doing it on the computer and redoing it multiple times. Now, this is why I did this whole entire thing, is to figure out where the windows are gonna go. So if the dining nook's gonna be right here, I want a window right here because it's 48 inches long. It's gonna go in between here. So I want a window right here as I'm eating. I want a window right here as I'm sitting on the couch or whatever. I'm gonna take a space right here. And then there's gonna be another window right here. Kitchen sink's gonna be right there, and the counter space. So maybe as I'm like preparing green bell peppers, I don't know why I chose that vegetable of all the vegetables. As I'm preparing or as I'm washing the dishes or whatever, I can look out the window. Also gonna be, remember we went 2, skip 1, and then here's another 2. Perfectly placed right where my desk is, so I can be working from home, look out, see an elk, see, you know, a homeless person, whatever I may come across, who knows. And then this is like the other kitchen area. We're probably not gonna have anything along this area right here. Gonna take a good amount of space. I'm gonna put my other window right here where my bed is, and then my other window right here where my bed is. And that's fine. Again, guys, this is like, you can't be married to a, to a specific layout, but I just want a general idea of where I'm gonna put my windows, and I think I got it, so. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and marked off window right there where the couch is, window right here where the dining nook is, window right here where my desk is, window right here, half counter space, half sink, tiny window in the bathroom. I might move that over, I'm not sure yet. And then big window in the back where my bed is, big window in the back where my bed is. Guys, that's pretty much it. I've laid out this thing, and I hope to goodness that it works because I've already ordered the RV windows and you can't really go back once you do that. So guys, if you've enjoyed this, feel free to give me a like, subscribe. If you've done this before and you see something I'm doing and you're like, I do it a little bit different, let me know in the comments below. Maybe, I mean, I'm always open to criticisms. So that's it. Next week, we will get into the windows. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. All right, guys, that's it. Y'all have a great rest of your week. I will see you out on the road. Bye.